You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to Sitges, Spain, a sun-kissed Mediterranean town just south of Barcelona. Founded by Iberians and later shaped by the Romans, Sitges flourished in the Middle Ages as a fortified fishing village. Its skyline is crowned by the iconic church of San Bartolomeo y Santa Tecla, built in the 17th century and standing proudly above the sea. In the late 1800s, Sitges became the heart of Catalonia's Modernisme movement, attracting artists, poets, and visionaries like Santiago Rusiñol, whose legacy still defines the town's creative soul. Today, Sitges blends golden beaches, historic streets, and vibrant culture, from world-class festivals to its welcoming, free-spirited atmosphere. Sitges isn't just a seaside escape, it's a living story of art, history, and Mediterranean charm. For travel ideas about Spain and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.